Hey, Garrett here from Jonard Tools. Welcome back to our channel. Today we've got a cool new tool to discuss, the redesigned Microduct Tube Cutter, part number MDC-14. This tool is perfect for cutting fiber optic microducts, a must-have for any technician working with fiber optic installations. Let's dive in. Whether you're working in tight spaces or handling complex fiber networks, this tool is engineered for performance. The redesigned MDC-14 features a sharp, durable blade that makes quick work of cutting through microduct material, ensuring a clean, smooth cut every time. It also has a comfortable, ergonomic handle, which helps reduce hand fatigue over extended use. Here are some key specs. It cuts microducts up to 14 millimeters in diameter. The overall length of the tool is 5.2 inches. It features a heat-treated stainless steel blade for a long-lasting sharp edge, and an ergonomic handle designed for comfort and control. And if you work with a variety of microduct sizes, Jonard offers a full line of duct cutters to suit your needs. For example, the MDC-28 is designed for cutting 28 millimeter microducts. The MDC-34 is for 34 millimeter, and the MDC-64 is for cutting larger 64 millimeter microducts. For those of you working with larger ducts or need extra leverage, Jonard also offers the MDC-125. It's the same as the MDC-64, but with longer handles for greater leverage, giving you even more cutting power when needed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, share, and comment below. Subscribe to our channel for more tips and product launches. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.